Unboxing Coach mini bags. Here I have 4 and they are beautiful.
Run through fast.
Hi guys! Today I'm unboxing 4 Coach bags. I have 4 mini bags here. And I give a short review in each one of these bags. I have 4. I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these are all mini bags. These are very small, guys. The size of these bags, I guess, is only size 16. So guys, I give a short review one by one. The 4 Coach bag that I bought. So the first one is, we call this Really or the Riley. So it comes with a signature bag. It's like a monogram. So signature means they have their logo, the Coach logo, the letter C. So this bag, we call it Really or Riley, and with a gold hardware and with a handle. Can wear like this, like a chain bag, a wallet, like this in the party. And he can also wear as a crossbody. So you can wear like this, crossbody. So the size is just perfect for me, and can also wear as shoulder bag. Guys, this is available only online. You cannot buy in the shop, in the Coach shop. So this one is only online. And look what they have here. It matches with this. It's very beautiful. And inside, it's very spacious. Comes with 3 pockets. 1, 2, and 3. So one is with a zipper here. The zipper. And of course, it always comes with a certificate and the instructions how to clean the leather bag. So you can put your important stuff inside here. And here another one. And here. And the color, look, the color, it's very beautiful. It's a purple one. It's very beautiful, guys. And this is really good for the party when you go to the party, because it's just like this, and can also crossbody. So it's really beautiful. This is a really Coach bag. And the next, this is a Troupe tote bag. It's size 16, and this color is a red apple, and this is a tan. This is a signature Coach bag. So like I said, signature comes with the logo of the Coach bag. So it's a red apple and color tan, and of course comes with the gold hardware. Comes with a gold hardware. So it's really cute, guys. It's really cute. And inside, I'll show you. Inside is just like this. There's no pocket and other stuff there. So you can put a small wallet, a phone, a powder, and a lipstick. It fits all. Just a small wallet. Of course, always comes with a certificate. And here These accessories added beauty to this bag. This is really cute. And you can wear like this as a tote bag, and you can wear as a crossbody. So it's so beautiful. It's good when you are wearing jeans. It's a little bit sporty. Yeah, it's really beautiful. And next, this is a very, very good one because this is a Runway collection, 2019, I guess, 2019 Runway collection, if I am right. Yeah, I'm not sure, but I guess it's 2019 Runway collection. This is not so many in the shop, and it comes with this also, the accessories. They always have this. So there's a name Coach, and the color is a signature canvas. It's a tan color. Yes, and this is yes, it's a tan color, and this is made in Vietnam. Made in Vietnam. And you can also wear like this, and you can wear as crossbody. And of course comes with a gold hardware. I always order bags with the gold hardware. It's really beautiful. And here, just twist the lock. Just twist or turn the lock. And inside it comes with a zipper here to put your important stuff. And another pocket here. It's just a small one. And look inside. It's also spacious, guys. Even it is small, but it is spacious. You can put a small wallet. And of course your phone, lipstick, and powder. And this is a very simple bag, and it's so cute. And there's also a wallet outside, guys, so you can really put a lot here. It's a small wallet here, a small pocket, I mean. So it's very cute. You can wear like this, or shoulder bag, or a crossbody bag. And the last one, we have a different color. This is a color block color. We call this, maybe this is a purple one. And of course, comes with a gold hardware. Comes with a gold hardware. And this is just a shoulder bag, guys, or a crossbody bag. You can wear like a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. So there's no short handle to carry like this as a tote bag, so it doesn't come like this. So only shoulder bag or crossbody bag. And of course there's always accessories. Look, it comes with a tan brown. It's very beautiful. And there's a pocket outside. See, you can really put a lot. And inside it's very simple. Inside is just it's small, guys, so I guess you can just put a thin wallet inside, and it comes also with a pocket and a zipper. You can hide your credit cards, your cash inside here. It won't fall off because there's a zipper. Even it is small, but it's a lot of compartment. Yeah. So inside it's a really beautiful color. It's the same color. Yeah. You can put a small wallet. So, and the leather is so soft, guys. The leather is so soft. So this one is really unique. It is not a signature or a monogram, but it is a color block Coach bag. So this bag, they call it Rambler. So this is only a crossbody bag or a shoulder bag. So this is it, guys. I'm done reviewing, just a short review of these 4 bags. This is a Rambler. This is a Runway collection. And this is a Troupe Tote bag. And this is a Riley bag. Yeah. So I hope you like these bags. You can check it in Coach www.coach.com, or wherever your country is. You can check it there. So maybe it's still available in your country. And I just love to buy small or mini bags. I love collecting mini bags. So I just show you quickly my collections. It's here. It's not much, guys. Here my collections. Yeah. So I will give a review next time when I have time of my collections. It's not much, like I said. And but I just want to show you some. And so, guys, I hope you like my review for this bag today. And comment below if you need more, or if you want another review or another bags to be reviewed. So I have some here. I have some Prada. I have some Burberry, Victoria. I have Louis Vuitton, and I have Gucci bags. But I won't give a review for everything. Maybe by batch. I will do by batch. So like from the smallest to the biggest one. So this is it, guys. And I hope you like this. And till the next review, and I hope I have more bags coming, and I will show you guys. So thank you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, Francie Helminger. Thank you. Bye.